Welcome to my viewers. In this video, I am going to explain a peculiar problem which is in EPSON L3150 Wi-Fi printer. In this printer, all lights are getting blink. See, generally, if this light only getting blink means paper problem, there is no paper or paper got stuck. If this light is only getting blink means there is a problem in ink. There may be low ink or ink flow problem If both lights are getting blink means there is a problem in ink pad. Either ink pad got full or ink pad issue, or you have to reset the printer. So using reset software. See, if a light is getting blink in initial position, after that a light is still means there is a Wi-Fi connection which is activated. If this on off switch LED is getting blink means the cleaning operation is getting activated. But in this printer, all lights are getting blink. This is on off switch LED, Wi-Fi activation, and paper LED as well as ink LED. All LEDs are getting blink. This means this is a peculiar problem. I have explained already what is the problem behind in each and every LED is getting blink. If this LED is only getting blink means there is a problem in paper. This LED is getting blink means there is a problem in ink. There may be low ink or ink flow problem. Both lights are getting blink means there is a problem in ink pad. Either you have to replace the ink pad and reset the ink pad. But if when you switch on the printer, this light initially will get blink. After that it will be permanently fixed, right? So this general happen. So this light has to be still. If it is getting blink means the cleaning operation is going on. That get cleaning operation is going on. That time only this power LED will get blink. But in this printer, all LEDs are getting, all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 LEDs are getting blink. This is a peculiar problem. When it will happen? When this is happening, that time it will pick the paper and print the color test page, like this. It will print like this. Okay, so that means the problem is going to get arrived. Problem is going to get activated. So what is the problem? Why all LEDs are getting blink? Why all LEDs are getting blink? If all LEDs are getting blink, the printer also will get detect but won't get installed. If you go and test in your laptop or desktop, you won't find the printer under activation. It will be in the dull picture, won't be the bright picture. So that means the problem behind this printer is this power board issue. This is power board and USB board. This is USB board. See, the USB cable is connected. You have to change the entire board. Then only it will work. This is the way to solve this. All LEDs are getting blink. Getting blink problem. How to solve means you have to replace the logical board. This is the only way to solve the problem. Okay. In this printer, I have applied all the measures. That is technical measures I have applied. Finally only I have come to the conclusion there is a problem in logical board. There is a problem in logical board. If we replace or if you replace the logical board, the problem will get resolved. The problem will get resolved. Okay, thanking you. This is the only solution if all LEDs are getting blink. All LEDs are getting blink. Thanking you. If you like this video, put like, subscribe my channel, because every day I am releasing new video regarding printer service, laptop service and desktop service. Also I have released more videos regarding ink cartridges as well as laser cartridges refilling. All cartridges refilling I have released. So just go to my site, simply type P space Muruganandam in YouTube. You will taken to my site. You will be taken to my site. There you can get all printer service, laptop service and desktop service videos, right? So if you have any new problem, please specify in comment. Seeing that comment, I can release new video that may be helpful to you. Thanking you. We'll see in the next issue, in the next problem with the solution. Have a nice day. Welcome.